Are you tired of missing out on Amazon Prime's video because of your Gio recharge plan? It's frustrating, right? But don't worry, I got you covered. In just a few steps, you can enjoy unlimited streaming with ease. So first, make sure that you have an active Gio recharge plan. Okay, so Gio offers many different options to suit your needs, so you're gonna pick one that fits you best. Next, check if your Amazon plan includes Amazon Prime Video. If it does, you're already halfway there. So to activate, open the Gio app and go to the My Plans section. Then look for the option that says Get Amazon Prime Video Subscription. Once you click on it, follow the steps to link your account. Now, if your Gio plan doesn't include Prime, you can easily add it by visiting the Gio website or app and selecting an appropriate recharge. So make sure that you check out Gio's special packs that come with extra benefits like free data or even more entertainment options. Is it Gio or Gio? I don't even know. Now that you know the steps, it's time to start streaming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy watching. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.